In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and verify your Stripe account and connect it to WooCommerce for test and live payments. We'll go through the full setup process in a simple, practical way so you can make sure your store is ready to accept payments properly. Before you begin, make sure WooCommerce is already installed on your WordPress site because the Stripe integration depends on it. Once that's confirmed, the next step is to install the WooCommerce Stripe Payment Gateway plugin. Go to your WordPress dashboard, open the plugins area, and add the official Stripe plugin designed for WooCommerce. After the installation finishes, activate the plugin so the payment settings become available inside WooCommerce. Now head over to WooCommerce, then Settings, and open the Payments tab. This is where you manage the payment methods available on your store. Find Stripe in the list and enable it. Turning it on makes the gateway available, but there are still a few important settings to review before it's ready to use. Next, connect the correct Stripe account. This part matters because payments must go to the intended business account. If you haven't already created and verified your Stripe account, complete that process first so the connection works smoothly and your account is ready to process transactions. During setup, always double-check that you are linking the right account before continuing. After the connection is complete, configure the supported card and wallet payment methods. Depending on your setup, this can include standard card payments along with digital wallets supported by Stripe and your store configuration. Choose the methods that fit your business and customer needs, and review the available options carefully so nothing important is left disabled by mistake. Once the payment methods are configured, enable test mode. This is a very important step because it lets you simulate transactions safely without charging real customers. Test mode helps you confirm that checkout works correctly before your store goes live. With test mode on, complete a test checkout on your website. Go through the same process a customer would follow, from adding a product to the cart all the way to submitting the payment. This allows you to verify the full payment flow and catch any issues early. After the test order is submitted, check that the payment appears correctly in both Stripe and WooCommerce. You want to confirm that the transaction is visible in your Stripe dashboard and that the corresponding order is recorded properly in WooCommerce. When everything looks correct and testing is complete, change the gateway from test mode to live mode. At that point, your store is ready to accept real payments through Stripe.